Hi there. In this notebook, I will show you my custom application monitor respond to a hypothetical model performance issue. So the three first blocks are just set up for libraries, SQL, and native API connection to Iris. Now, a simple machine learn for predicting patient appointments will be set up. First, let's see the dataset content. As you can see, we have some columns with appointment information like day, month, patient gender, and so on. And the column called show is the one which will be used to train the model. It contains a Boolean value which indicates if the patient has attended to their appointment or not. This block is just delete previous versions of the model, not big deal. And here it's when the integrated ML starts to be used. First, the model is created by create model statement. Then, train model statement is used to train the model using the first 500 records. Note that as IntegratedML is a SQL interface for use popular machine learning toolkits, we can use standard SQL commands like where clause to manipulate a train set. And now let's check some information about our model. As you can see, a model called appointment prediction was created. It is a classification model using logistic regression algorithm supported by sklearn toolkit. We can use predict statement to apply our model in standard SQL queries. In this query, I compared prediction of show column with its actual value. And as you can see, the model has a good performance at this point. Now let's use validate model statement to test our model, using the first 600 records and getting performance metrics. Here, the custom application monitor will be used to read such metrics and make them available to Iris engine. As you can see, we got the same values presented before, because actually this monitor uses the validation model statement to grab information about machine learning models. We can also see the same results using the standard CSP monitor interface. The same information for name, for an accuracy, and okay. So now let's simulate a performance issue. I previously set up an alert rule to send an email if model accuracy is below than 9%. So first we start the system monitor, and in order to simulate the performance issue, I will revalidate the model, but now using 80 run records. Those new records contain patterns which model was not prepared for, affecting its classification performance. Let's check. As you can see, accuracy now is about 80%. That is below than 9%, so the application monitor must issue an email and alert. So let's wait some seconds, and okay, system monitor triggers the alert rule which I previously set up by checking information provided by IntegratedML. I set up a system monitor to check for new information every 10 seconds, so several alerts will be thrown until we take some action in order to fix the performance issue. Of course, you can change system monitor to a better interval value, and also to send one alert only, avoid an email flood in your inbox. So, okay, so let's take some action in order to fix the model issue. In this simple example, I will just train the model using now 600 records, which I hope to contain the new patterns, and such a way model performance could be improved. So let's run. And as you can see, alerts is still being sent. Okay, model is trained and its performance has increased to 96%, and now we expect that system monitor stop to fire the 90% threshold alert rule. So let's wait for some system monitor runs. As you can see, we are in the 55 second, 051 run, no emails. Let's wait for the next run. And that is no email. In the video description, you could find more information and a link to the code. Thanks for watching.